Hi, I'm Abby from the marketing team at Strongman Lifts. I'm here today with Henry's Car Barn, the facility manager here, Ed.
Hi guys, here in Henry's Car Barn, London. This is our newest storage facility. We can house up to 150 cars here of the best, safest, secure storage in London. It's a brand new purpose-built building, and with the help of Strongman Lifts, we can now absolutely maximize our capacity, hoping to get over that 150 capacity mark. We weren't quite sure how many lifts to have, and you provide us with the CAD drawings. We could see what the layout was going to look like before they even came in, and how we can save our space and basically make it more efficient in here. This is a 14,000 square foot building over 2 floors, and these lifts allow us to get 2 cars in every single bay. And so the 34 lifts are going to be a huge help for getting us to sort of maximum capacity. So the process with Strongman Lifts has been so easy from the get-go. So around about July time, 2025, 2 engineers came around to come have a look at the site. They measured up the building, showed me what this place could look like at full capacity. They came away, we got our order slot in for end of October. Come November, these 34 lifts arrived, and by the middle of December, we were fully operational. So I cannot thank Strongman Lifts enough. From start to finish, a seamless process. Let's go and have a look around and we'll show you how to use the lifts. So the car is now safely on the ramp. We've checked all the surroundings, everything is clear. So as you can see here, you've got notches in the uprights. So all that is a safety measure. So if there was to be a failure and the car was to fall, it's only going to fall to its next possible point. It's not going to drop to the floor. So as you'll see when we go up now, you'll hear it clicking into place at each point. We're now plugged on, so we've got the power on. All we're going to do is hit the up button and we're going to watch it go up. So now you can see we've gone the whole way to the top of the lift. What we're going to do is release it down a little bit to make the lift fall into its top notch, and then we know it's secure and not go anywhere. And there we go. Another reason why we use these Strongman lifts are because they can take 3.6 tons. They've got very wide foot pads on each corner, so they're 4-post lifts, meaning you don't actually have to bolt them to the floor, which means it's very easy for them to come in and be installed, and you have to worry about, we've got underfloor heating in here, so we can't go into pipes. So it's very, very good for us. Another great feature with these Bonar lifts is the drip trays. So it means we can safely store cars on top of each other and you have to have no worries about oil dripping down on cars underneath. I think it's safe to say the lifts speak for themselves. They look fantastic. They make the area look smart. They're really impressive for our clients. And out of the 5 sites we have at Henry's Car Barn, 4 of them have already got Strongman lifts in them. And this just sort of finishes off the group. If I could describe Strongman lifts and working with them, all it would be is efficient, reliable, and simple to use.